In children, especially after newborn screenings are done and the child's hearing is confirmed and approved, we can see problems caused by tonsils and adenoids, allergies, and frequent infections in children attending daycare. In the long run, this can lead to sleeping with an open mouth, snoring, and sometimes even sleep apnea at night. In some children, this condition can even cause the retraction of the eardrum as well as the buildup of fluid in the middle ear cavity. Over time, this may eventually lead to serious hearing loss. We follow up with these children and perform hearing tests. If necessary, after an endoscopic exam or an x-ray of the adenoids, especially in children over 2 or 2.5, we remove the adenoids if needed and place tubes in the eardrums. I'd also like to show you right here